Hi, I'm Chef Jamel Boyd, and today we're going to teach you how to stuff tomatoes with cream cheese and corn. It's pretty much a vegetarian dish. We're going to use a little bit of dairy inside, and the cream cheese and corn, they all come together in a great harmonious fashion. So first what we're going to do is we're going to identify the tomatoes' axis points. So we want it to stand up evenly. It's pretty much standing up on its own now, but we'll create another platform for it so it stands up straight. Then we'll come to the top. We'll make another incision right here. And then once that opens up, you have the center of the tomato that you can see. And we'll just take our knife and run it around the inner part of it, inner flesh. Just like that. Next, what I like to do is I like to take the back end of a spoon and just get the rest of the inside out. What we'll do is we'll take a spoon and just gently insert the stuffing inside the tomato itself. Next, what we'll do is we'll take a little bit of this olive oil. And what I like to do is I just like to brush it around the sides of it. And what this will do, this will create a roasting effect once we put it in the oven. The skin won't blister as fast as it would if it was dry. And I'll just sprinkle some salt and pepper around the sides of it. Notice the salt sticks to the tomato a lot better. After we get the salt and pepper around, we're just gonna place them in the pan. We'll bake these at 350 degrees for 6 minutes, and then they're done. I just like to create a little salad for our vegetarian lovers, okay? So I just took some fresh spinach leaves, some sliced carrots, a little bit of olive oil, and we'll just place our tomatoes in the center like this. Hello, I'm Chef Jamel Boyd, and that's how you stuff tomatoes with cream cheese and corn.